Are you having a wrist pain? If it's happening, what shall we do? Hello everyone, my name is Khas. So today I'm going to talk about having a wrist pain. What shall we do? It is very simple. For example, why do we having a wrist pain? Like example, if we're having a children, we always carry them like this. It's been a very big pressure on our wrist. At the same time, usually nowadays citizens, we're usually playing our iPhone, our iPad, we're having a big pressure on our wrist as well. Like if for example, if I'm doing my iPad like this, you see, I'm using my wrist so much. So therefore, if it's happening, what shall we do? Very simple exercise I'm going to share with everyone today. So now, if we're having a problem with our wrist, for example, we can first of all relax our shoulders. So if you want to relax our shoulders, we make a small rotation backward. Number two, we keep our elbow inside, sticking into our rib area. Number three, we use our palm rotating this direction, so pointing the outward. So at this situation, you can feel that your wrist is like, you can hear the sound. It's like tirik-tarak. So that's totally normal. By doing this exercise, you can simply relieve your wrist pain. At the same time, very simple exercise. So do it together. Follow me. Even you're sitting down, no matter what, just follow me. Keep your breathing. At the same time, you breathe in and breathe out. So first of all, you need to relax your wrist. You rotating outward, and then you slowly speed up. At this period, when you speed up, at the same time you need to relax your wrist. So at the first place, you may do it with your own energy. You feel it, it's so hard, you're doing it with your own power. But slowly, you need to relax your wrist, and then slowly you go into a swinging mode. It feels like there's a stone here connecting with a chain, and then you swing it like this. At the same time, bear in your mind, keep your shoulders relaxed. Normally when people they swing their wrists, they tense their shoulders. So really important, we need to relax. So follow me everybody. So keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Remember that the key is to relax, and the key is to keep breathing. At the same time, you need to swing it like a chain with a stone or with a rock. Now you can swing it as fast as you can. Slowly you realize your wrist, you can feel the burning. You can feel the numb. You can feel it. Keep breathing and keep moving. Now we keep going for 10 seconds, okay? Follow me, keep doing it. Even you're sitting down, lying down, it doesn't matter, standing up. Keep breathing it and keep moving it. Even you're walking around the street, keep doing it. 10, 9, 8, faster. 7, 6, if you see the relaxing mode. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. So now you can already feel through the energy in your wrist. So this is not only relaxing your wrist, at the same time you're building up the energy at your wrist area. So I've been doing martial arts for years. So this is how you gain your energy at your wrist, that you can do the grabbing and so on. At the same time, for citizens, you're doing the mobile phone and everything, you're using your wrist energy so much. So therefore, this exercise is to build up our wrist energy. So therefore, if you have a wrist pain or if you have any problems, you can build up your wrist. Therefore, you can release the wrist pain. Okay, so now, just now we have done the exercise of waving outward, okay? So now we're doing it inward. It's exactly the same idea, same contest, same way, however we're doing it inward. So now again, number one, move your shoulders backward, relax your shoulders. Number 2, keep your elbows inside, touching your rib cage area. Number 3, put your wrists outside and follow me, do it together. Rotate it inward. Again, even you're standing up, sitting down, whatever, one hand holding a mobile, another hand you can still do it, okay? So now we keep breathing in and breathing out. This is very important. Keep your wrist relaxed. Slowly you build up the energy. At the same time, you start relaxing and you start throwing it. So that's the whole idea. It's like the rock and the chain. You throw your wrist. However, usually when people start to throw this, they tend to tense their shoulders. So my whole idea is to relax your shoulders and keep throwing your wrist outward. So now slowly, once you get into the relaxing mode, the throwing mode, you slowly keep speeding up. That's the whole idea. So now follow me, follow me. Even one hand, two hand, it doesn't matter. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Then you slowly feel the energy of your wrist. So I've been doing martial art for 20 plus years. That's the whole point. If you have the wrist power, this is very important. However, at the same time, many people, they have the wrist pain, many problems, shoulders pain, every pain. So this video is for the wrist. Also, we have more videos for more other kind of pain. So later on, we'll go through more. So keep going. 10, 9, faster. 8, 7, 6, 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Yes. So now you can feel. Now that's the whole idea. Remember, also Bruce Lee said, if your arm is relaxed, this power is very powerful. If you relax your arm and you throw it this way, you have a very big kind of energy transfer to your opponent. So now we're not talking about martial arts, we're talking about releasing pain. So now if you're able to relax your wrist and then you gain your power at your wrist, so you can strengthen your wrist and hence you will release your pain. So that's the whole idea. So now we relax our arms. So now 2 more ideas. For example, another reason of having a wrist pain, it comes from the thumb. It's from here, all the way from here. So now how should we release it? Very easy. We put our hands like this, like 10, how we show people, high 10, whatever. So we put our thumb in, like 4 or 8, doesn't matter. So we grab our thumb, pushing forward, like this, and then we press our wrist downward, like this. So from this area, remember, so slowly you may tense your shoulders like this. So you relax your shoulders backward, and then you press your arms down like this, 45 degrees. At the same time, you rotate your wrist downward. So now, even you're sitting down, it doesn't matter. You can feel your thumb all the way is pulling here. If you feel this energy, that's perfect. Again, from here, we breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in. Follow me, we do it together, okay? Breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. So now we are not done yet. Extra value, extra bonus for everyone. So now we slowly rotate our wrist inward like this. Again, we may tense our shoulders, relax it. If after the exercise you feel sore in your shoulder, that means you're not relaxing. So very important, relax your shoulders. So now rotate inward, relax shoulders, relax your chest, only focus on your wrist. Breathe in, yes, twist all the way in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, good job. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, we're not done yet. Last part. So now we rotate our wrist outward. Use your little finger pointing outward like this. Again, relax your shoulders. So now you can feel the tension. You feel the twist around the outside of your hand. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Follow me. Let's do it together. Come on, let's do it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, last time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Slowly relax and swing your arms. So, how do you feel? Do you feel your wrist already relaxed? Any pain? Is it relieved? So if you feel any wrist pain after this exercise, you feel relief, please comment. Again, if you like this video, please like our video, leave some comment, tell us is it work, or if it doesn't work, it doesn't matter, you let us know so we can do it better. At the same time, please subscribe our video so also you can follow us. Make sure later on you can see all of our videos. So again, thank you everyone for watching our video. Later on we'll have more videos, so for relax, more body pain for everyone. Thank you so much. See you. I'm Khas. Thank you.